Salvona Technologies presents SalSphere. In this video, we will introduce one of the three main delivery systems that Salvona Technologies has to offer, the SalSphere delivery system. The SalSphere technology is a submicron sphere, approximately 0.1 to 0.3 microns in diameter, which encapsulates active ingredients. This protects the active ingredients from premature reaction or dilution. The purpose of the technology is to stabilize actives and target them to where they are needed the most for their functionality. Targeted release makes products more effective and suitable for users with sensitive skin, which may otherwise get irritated by an active that is used without encapsulation. The technology is designed to extend the release of the active so that more of it becomes available on the skin for a longer period of time. SalSphere is made up of materials that resemble the composition of skin itself, which helps its integration and penetration into the deeper layers of the skin. It is a delivery system designed for topical applications from a lotion or other water-based dosage forms. The uniqueness of SalSphere technology is its ability to retain the actives in the encapsulated form while in a lotion or other water-based suspension. SalSphere is made up of submicron spheres with a diameter of about 0.1 to 0.3 microns. The spheres are made of a skin-like lipid blend that encloses the actives into the solid sphere. The surface of the sphere is composed of a surface active polymer, which has great affinity for the skin and helps to suspend the sphere in the finished product. The actives are released from the SalSphere by one of two mechanisms. 1. Accelerated release through rubbing onto the skin, and 2. Triggered release by extracellular enzymes such as lipase. On the skin, the delivery system has two pathways of release. 1. Intercellular skin penetration, and 2. Follicular delivery through the hair follicles. The following scenarios will demonstrate the release mechanisms of active ingredients from SalSphere technology and illustrate the pathways of release on skin. Release activated by rubbing. The release of the actives from the SalSphere technology can be accelerated by rubbing at the point of application. In this process, the SalSpheres are applied onto the skin and rubbed gently. The pressure from rubbing squeezes the spheres, breaking them up and releasing the actives. This accelerates the penetration of the actives into the skin. This means that air-sensitive actives like polyphenols have a lower chance of oxidizing prematurely on the skin surface. Release triggered by enzymes. Enzyme-triggered release is a way to target the release of the active ingredients to sites of inflammation. At these sites, the level of extracellular lipase is greatly increased. Lipase is able to digest the matrix of the SalSpheres, triggering the release of the encapsulated actives. In inflammatory skin diseases, SalSphere targets the treatment to where it is needed most. Skin penetration to the deeper layers of the stratum corneum. The surface of SalSphere consists of a material that adheres very well to the top layer of the skin. The small size and the chemical properties of SalSphere technology allow it to penetrate the horny layer through the intercellular space. Because SalSphere is made of materials that are similar to the skin itself, it is able to break down and dissolve into the skin while slowly releasing the actives to the squamous cell layer, the lower living epidermal layer of the skin. Follicular delivery. SalSphere has major benefits in applications such as hair regrowth and anti-acne products, where the drug has to reach the hair follicle. SalSphere's small size and its chemical properties allow it to easily penetrate into the hair follicles. Once there, it dissolves into the natural sebum and fatty acid, breaks down and releases the actives where they are needed the most. Salvona Technologies offers quality delivery systems that modify the way functional and active ingredients are being delivered. For more information about this product or other technologies that Salvona has to offer, please contact us. We can provide you with more technical information, formulation assistance, samples, and more.